Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to cancel subscription on Patreon. So without any further ado, let's just begin. First, you can see I'm currently inside my Patreon account and I am currently signed in as a member. So what you need to do is, first of all, you're going to be heading over to the settings option on the left side of your screen, and once you head over to that, you will be able to see this memberships option or tab. Simply click onto that and you can see currently I do not have any memberships activated, but if you have, it is going to be looking something like this. Let me just show you. So you can see we have this setting option on the left side of our screen, and once you simply head over to that, you will be able to see the option of memberships, and inside you can see we have view details about the memberships and cancel membership. Simply click on the option. It will be asking you for confirmation. Once you confirm, you will be simply cancelled with your Patreon subscription. And yeah, that is it. That's how it works. And make sure to subscribe if you like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.